In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Elementor, a task that will allow you to customize your web pages and make them look exactly how you envision. Whether you want to incorporate your brand's color palette, add an eye-catching image, or even a captivating video, Elementor provides you with all the essential tools you need. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating an engaging and visually appealing website. First, you'll want to open your chosen page within the Elementor editor. If you're new to Elementor, you can access the editor by navigating to your WordPress dashboard, finding the page you wish to edit, and clicking the Edit with Elementor button. This will launch the Elementor editor, a powerful tool that allows for easy drag-and-drop design editing. Once you have your page open, locate the section where you want to change the background. As you move your cursor over this section, you'll notice a blue overlay appear. Look for the 6-dot handle icon at the top of this section. By clicking on this icon, you're signaling that you wish to edit that specific section. This action will open the editing panel on the left side of your screen, giving you numerous editing options to work with. In the left panel, you'll want to navigate to the Style tab. Under this tab, you'll find a Background option, and this is where your creativity truly takes flight. You'll next need to decide on your background type. Elementor offers several choices, each allowing you to create a unique and personalized background. One of the options is Classic, which gives you the simplicity and elegance of a solid color, or the ability to upload an image of your choosing. This is perfect if you have a specific branded color or image that fits your theme. If you're looking for something more dynamic, consider using a gradient background. This option lets you blend two colors together, either in a linear or radial fashion, which can add depth and interest to your page. Another exciting option is the video background. You can integrate a visually stunning video from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo, or even upload your own MP4 video to engage your audience more effectively. Lastly, if you possess the Pro version of Elementor, you have the option to set up a slideshow background. This feature allows you to cycle through a series of images, providing a continuously evolving backdrop that can captivate viewers. Once you've decided on the background type, be sure to upload your chosen asset, be it an image, video, or a series of images. You can further refine your background by adjusting settings like position and size. For instance, selecting Cover will ensure your image or video encompasses the entire section. You can also determine whether you want your background to repeat or how it reacts as users scroll. By following these simple yet powerful steps, you can change a background in Elementor to something that resonates with your audience and enhances your overall design.